Hey Portola Valley, it's your friends down at Portola Valley Hardware coming to you with another Hardware Minute.
Hey guys, we're in the fire safety aisle today. We're going to talk about smoke detectors. They're very important and they save lives, and everyone should know how to operate one. We have two main kinds of smoke detectors. First, we have wired. Wired are hooked up directly into your electrical system, and all of them are connected, which means if one goes off, all of them are going to go off. They have a backup battery so that if power goes out, they're still functional. And then second, we have unwired. These come with usually around a 10-year battery, and each one is going to act individual. So it's really just important to know which kind you're working with and which kind you want, because they are not interchangeable. So the National Fire Protection Agency actually recommends you have both carbon monoxide and smoke alarms in your home. What we have here is one that is combined into the same unit. It's very effective. And as for placement, we're going to want to put these inside every bedroom, outside of every single sleeping area in the home, and on every level of your home. Since we know people will likely have some questions regarding placement, below the video linked we will have a guide from the NFPA as well as printouts in store available for pickup. Alright guys, come on down, we'll help you get fire safe and pick out the right detector for you.